susunod presidente. Ilupon ba? Hindi galing sa tao yung boto. Hindi mo lang ipapalit. Paligali yun eh. Ano kasi kung sinubo yung speech in North Korea? Like you better just shut your mouth and speak. If you speak, umabot
Kasi
sa
anak na rin
presidente.
siya nung ano eh.
Oo, yung preview.
Kim Jong-il, ang anak tatay niya, yung may simulan ng Korea. Namatay nga Kim Jong-un.
Alam mo kung ano nang mangyayari para matapos yun? Kailangan na patayin yung lahi nila. Tapos yung democracy. Ayun sa nila, that's the only way.
Tapos dalagyan ng kulay. Ganda talaga.
Seriously.
Bawal magsuot ng fashion yung mga babae.
I mean, pwede, pero hindi pwede yung candy colors.
Approved colors
Oo,
lang.
may apple colors nila.
Halimbawa, ikaw hindi ka pwede mag-red jeans. Pang-asawa lang. Hindi ka pwede magsuot ng ganitong kulay. Dapat ang kulay na tapos yung dapat gabi ang South Korea kapag gabi nakikita ko kapag yung sa North Korea.
Nila. Ako kasi curfew. Palo mo sa 9 p.m. onwards. Pag lumabas ka, kukulong ka. Ang mga sa labas ka.
Ang North Korea nga eh walang
Have you seen my baby? She's not a day nor a lady. Not in the way she walks, the way she talks, or the way she loves me. Just look at me. I'm like a monkey in a coconut tree. You know I'm overjoyed, 'cause boy, oh boy, she's my cat. She acts me when
Bawal naman na doon. Tourist. Ay, pwede pala mag-tourist doon, actually. Matakot-takot na approval. Anong reason ba tumumunta sa amin? Saka dapat kasama kang sundalo. Tumugot ng Pilipinas.
hello, I'm Verity, your personal helper friend.
Wala, nag-travel lang siya sa...
sa Pyongyang.
Di ba dumadaan sa TikTok mo yung ano? Ano ba yung tao? North Korean footage from the tourists. Mahinawa. Pwede ako niya pa naman. Kailangan mo to, anak?
Ay, 49. I mean, 45.
The star in the city. Singing. Jingling. There will be Christmas time. Dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card. May your day be merry and bright. Your Christmas be bright. Oh, just like the one I used to know.
Stop!
It's kind of sus, you know. How is it sus? It's actually cool, bro. It shows. Okay. Okay.
Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Ah! Yeah!
Malalaki to eh. Wala na.
Let's go. Something. Isn't it? Yes. Good. Start preparing. Oh, I'm ready.
Nice way.
Hang a shining
No.
merry little Christmas.
Ano papabili niya sa grocery?
Mami, yung sa hair. Keep your world is blah 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 blah.
Ano gusto mo yung kotse ah?
Nanood na kayo ng TV.
Remote off. Here, you can watch the TV. Really. Yes, Brad. I'm gonna play Roblox. Get to the other side.
Stop! Yeah! Ah!
Hey, bro, it's falsity and verity.
Yeah!
Hey, my name is Falsity.
sing that? Oh, I don't know that. Oh my god.
Tell me, please, is this what I think or is it just me? Don't wake me up from this sweet little dream where we'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. Wait, I'm gonna sing this to my phone and I'm going to check if I'm gonna send it to you, okay?
Stop! Yeah!
Oh my god. I didn't do it correctly. Tell me, please. Is this what I think or is it just me?
Ah!
Oh my god, I can't even sing. Tell me,
Yeah!
is this what I think or is it just me? Yeah, this sweet little dream. We'll be together forever, we're never gonna be apart. If I love for you this way, no matter what you feel or what you say, or what you say
Stop!
forever, we're never gonna be apart.
Yeah!
I'm gonna check.
Ah!
Very cool.
Yeah! Stop!
Listen that to me. I was recording. I was recording.
So, I don't care.
Why are you recording anyway?
You post that on YouTube.
Yo, I'm asking you a question.
Well, restart the video because I was singing.
Bro, I'm actually going to do it.
Bro, I'm gonna check your account right now if you're posting videos.
It's not, your voice is not visible here. I already know it. I know the app. Your voice is not visible here.
What do you mean visible?
Your voice is not gonna hear here.
Here. Okay.